Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a magnificent day. I got Deebow in the house, 49ers wide receiver. You already know. We about to get him right. Y'all about to see. Check out this before, because transformation is in the making, baby. Let's go. So, right now, I'm just prepping my guy. You know, going down with the 316. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to brush the area and hit it with the 316 at the same time. Just trying to, you know, not cut too much. I'm going to end up using a lower guard, but I always start, you know, safe just in case. Sometimes a client might want the hair a little longer. I want to make sure, you know, I don't cut down too much. So, you know, I'm using the 316 and watching out for the crown. Look how I go with the grain around this area. I don't go against at any moment, and I go around there. I go in the natural growth pattern way to make sure I do not kill that crown. Here we're gonna start with the taper. Start with the taper. I'm using my Yandy's right here. Marking my first guideline. We're gonna use the half right now. We getting it. We're using the half from the gamma. Now we're using the 116 with the gamma. Open, lever open. Then we're gonna close it. And you're gonna see it's pretty much gonna blend in. Gonna take out that trimmer line with the 0. And now we going over it lightly, going over the details. Let's start on the other side. This video is not really in depth, but you'll get a little something out of it. I started with the 116 from the Yandy's Masters, then I'm marking my guideline right with the 0. I'm not even using the trimmer, and I'm gonna blend it out quickly. Cause this hair, to be honest, is just, it comes easy to me. You know, the game really does come easy to me. I do this, you know, I do this for fun. Let's be honest, I've been doing this 20-something years, and you know, I come in the shop when I want. I like to do this to create content for y'all to, you know, entertain a little bit, and cause I love it. I love watching my videos. So, hey, I'm leaning over. I'm doing the lean over move right there, making sure I'm getting the right amount of hairs, going with the grain with the 116. I'm marking the trimmer using the Baby Blitz FX right now, pulling down the ear, making sure I got visibility and I can stretch. Now I'm gonna hit it with the trimmer in the corner of that shape up, and I'm gonna push up. I'm trying to bring the shape up down, so when you bring in the shape up down, it's not gonna come out as crisp as it can in the future, but you gotta make sure you get your client right. You know, just don't think about today, pushback kings. Think about tomorrow, alright? So you wanna make sure you don't push them shits back, man, cause the next barber done fucked up. Alright? So hey, watch out. Huh? Crown killers and pushback kings. They really think they are the kings. Hey, so let's get it. Hit it with the trimmer right there. Yeah. Getting Deebow fresh. Getting Deebow fresh. You already know. Hit it with that corner, that lock. I shampooed his hair, conditioned it. About to prep it for them waves. Air drying it first before I apply my wave foam. Now I'm applying that wave foam. That wave foam is the truth, baby. You know what I'm saying? You gonna pump in that wave foam on lock. I think it's my guy's OG Walker. Let's shout my brother out. Let's be humble and shout out people out that put you on game, baby. Love all day. Huh? Get it, brush it. Yeah. You know you gotta brush it, yeah. This some visionary brush. You already got the touch. So you wanna go in there smooth, man. I be trying to rap sometimes, but hey, it comes out sometimes it don't. But I keep it going, you get me? Like, this is fun to me. I don't care what people think. I do this for fun, you heard? Look at them waves, boy. You know I'm the truth. Just brush them in there. I ain't even used the wave cap and I got them waves spinning, boy. Imagine if I would've. Oh my God. I've been killing it for 20 years. Ha! I've been doing this. I'm Yandy, Mr. Steel. I'ma steal your clients, yeah. You already know I'm reliant. Get 'em with that fresh, crisp shape up. You already know this is a tape up. Ha, I'm just playing. You already know this fayin'. Hey man, hit it with the razor right there. Pull the skin. You know, make sure you pull the skin. I'm not the best rapper, alright? You know, I do this for fun, like I said. Catch me in Spanish though. It's just when that beat drop, I be getting hype. Like, I literally tell myself, hey man, don't start with that rap shit when the beat drop. And I can't hold myself, you know? So yeah, I'm hitting it with the visionary compressor, making sure them edges are sharp. He don't really like enhancement, so I went, you know, I told him it's gonna look fresh, you get me? And he trusted the process and he loved it. So use that visionary stencil, I'm using it, you know, just going lightly, making sure we get the areas that are necessary. Don't overspray so you have a mess to clean up. Check it out. I love this. This is one of my favorite pieces from my collection, baby, from my visionary collection. Sorry, I love this. With my razor, huh? I'ma hit 'em like a laser, taser. I be tripping, right? Hey, make sure y'all pull the skin. Make sure y'all go in. Make sure y'all go hard. Whatever you do, just go hard at it. Look at my man, he looking right. Tell me. Man, I wish I would have edited the video in a way that I could have showed the beginning at the end. So y'all could have seen the clang clang. Y'all would have seen the way he walked in and then the first pick of when he came out. It would have looked dope. You know them waves are spinning. So if you got some waves, if you're a waver, come holla at the truth, Yandy Blendz. Like, I'll get you right. And just make sure you book that $175 cut so I could go in even extra hard on you. I'll give you the wash, I'll give you the top. Man, I'll show some love, man. I'll make sure you look like this man right here. My guy, Deebow. Look at that, I'm just in it with a shaver, cleaning up them waves, cleaning up them hairs, you know. Making sure he wavy, he's spinning. Now we putting a little bit of cream on so we could, you know, enhance them waves and make them pop even more. Man, I'm getting a little dizzy. Anybody getting dizzy? Cause it's sure spinning, boy. We spinning, boy. Man, look at them things, man. I'm just looking at it, I'm like, golly, did I do that? Look at that taper, guys. Hey, rate this, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, baby. Yandy Blendz. Show some love. I'm coming tough. Hey, y'all have a blessed one. Yandy Blendz, Deebow in the house. Appreciate him coming through. Much love. God bless.